Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you a Gucci handbag unboxing and review. I got a new bag for my birthday a couple weeks ago, so I can let you guys know my thoughts about it and also like a review, show you how much the bag fits and everything like that. So if you guys want to know what bag I ended up getting and my thoughts about it, then just keep on watching. Alright, so this is basically going to be like a fake unboxing since I have already unboxed it. I've been wearing it for a couple weeks, but I did want to show you guys how it does come in case you're curious. So this is the box. It has like this magnetic closure to it, and then inside it comes in a dust bag and they wrap it up all nice. I just put it back in here to show you guys, but this is the dust bag. What it looks like, it's just like a silk dust bag and it fits the bag perfectly. Okay, so here is the bag. The full name is the Marmont Matelassé camera bag. This one is nude. I think it definitely comes in black, and I believe it also comes in white. But I really like this shade. It's kind of like this taupey pink shade. It's super pretty because I feel like it's a really great color year round. So getting into all of the details, it's quilted chevron in the front and the back, and then the double G logo is quilted in the back as well, and then you have the double G hardware in the front, and then just gold hardware on the chain as well. And then it's just like a normal regular zipper. I had actually seen somebody say that the zipper was like hard to open on this bag, but it's definitely a normal regular zipper. So I was really happy about that because that made me a little bit nervous before I got this bag. So really the only concern you should have with this shade, and then definitely the white shade, is that it can get dirty or stained. I was actually wearing dark wash jeans the other day and it rubbed up on the leather and like the blue transferred a little bit. I did end up like wiping it off and it came off completely, but it made me so paranoid about wearing dark wash jeans with this bag. So that's definitely something to consider if you are thinking about getting this specific shade or the lighter shade in this bag compared to like the black shade. So then on the inside of the bag, it has a microfiber lining that kind of feels like suede, and then there's just one pocket on the inside that you can actually fit like a decent amount of stuff. I just have bobby pins on the bottom there, but normally I'll put like lipsticks and stuff in there too, and then it has the Gucci logo on the inside too. But it's definitely like a roomy bag. So normally I have like my wallet. I just pulled out some random stuff so I can show you guys the size. I have like a bunch of lip products. That's basically all I ever have in my bag, and then I can also fit like sunglasses, and then I just threw my phone in here too, that way you guys can see that it fits like everything perfectly. If I had my keys in there too, that's like normally what's in my handbag at all times, and if I had my sunglasses in a case, it would also fit in there too. And then also the chain on the bag is a really nice length. I normally always wear this crossbody and it hits like right at my hip, so it doesn't end up looking too short or off or anything. So overall, I'm definitely in love with this bag, with this color. It's perfect for every day. It goes with like basically everything. I was a little worried about the color, like if it would look too purpley, but it definitely looks neutral, so it goes with like every outfit, every color, like every color pants and stuff. So definitely love it. And I also love like the look of the bag for an everyday casual look, but you can also wear it dressed up, and it kind of conforms to like your outfits basically. Like it just goes with everything. So I definitely recommend it if you guys are interested in this bag in particular. There's nothing impractical about it, which I absolutely love. Like there's no weird buckle or anything like that that sometimes I see in other unboxings that make it more of like a stylish item but not like a practical item. Like this is both, so that's why I really love it. And then I also wanted to share with you guys a new Gucci belt that I got for my birthday too. It's actually the exact same color. I do have an unboxing and review of the first belt that I have, the black one, on my IGTV, but I also wanted to show you guys the second belt that I got because it's a different size and a different length to the first one. You can see like they're a little bit different sizes. The band is a little bit wider on this one, and I'll have the details for both down below as well. And I also thought it would be helpful to share like the sizes of the belts that I have. So this first one I got over the summer is the size 85, and this one's a little bit big. And if you go to Gucci, they can make additional holes. So they added these two first holes, and I only wear my belt on these two holes because otherwise it gets like pretty loose. Just know that if you do add additional holes, it's gonna like devalue the belt if you ever plan on selling it. I never plan on selling mine. I wear mine so much. So this is the first one that I had in the size 85. I will show you guys what it looks like on as well. And then, so the second one I ended up getting in the size 80, and I am wearing it normally on like the tightest hole, and I might actually have them add additional holes as well, or at least one additional hole, because I do love this belt too. I don't ever plan on getting rid of it. It definitely fits a little bit better than the size 85, and then my pant size is a 27 or a size 4, like a 2-4, so that is definitely a better size for me. The size 80, that's what I'll get. Like if I end up getting another belt, if I get the brown one, like eventually I'll get a size 80 as well. And then actually this one we ordered online. My husband ordered it for my birthday, and they sent me the wrong belt. They sent me a size 90. On our receipt and everything like that, it said 80, but the actual belt was a size 90. And then when we went to exchange it, we had to basically just order it all over again and wait another month because this belt is back ordered. So that's why I'm unboxing this like a month after my birthday. They sent the wrong belt for some reason. I don't know why. Just know if you order online at Gucci, they might just send you the wrong thing and you'll have to wait a month to get what you actually ordered. But I'm so glad that it only took a couple more weeks and it wasn't like months on end that I couldn't get it, because sometimes this particular belt is on back order. So just be aware of that as well. Like I think this color is usually on back order. Alright guys, so that's gonna be everything for this unboxing and review. I hope it was helpful in case you're curious about this bag, in case you're curious about purchasing this bag, or either of the Gucci belts and want to know like the sizing and everything too. I will leave the sizes that I mentioned in my description box along with all of the products too, and also the measurements for the bag as well. I'll put that all in my description box. And that's going to be everything for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.